Papaya Thai in Rochester, New Hampshire, and we're eating tom yum and Thai food. First, we're having beef sauté and chicken sauté. I'm going to dip them in a peanut sauce.
Very good.
Do you want me to finish this?
Nope, just say how you like it.
Oh, that is really yummy. Now I'm trying with the beef. Okay, that's really good.
But it was awesome. It was like
Very good.
she said it was
Can you tell us what you're having for dinner?
It is tom yum soup with egg and noodles and
just like the greatest thing.
curry. Just to tell you, it's squid.
Calamari, right? And it is squid.
It is very good.
And I was like, I don't have to do that one. It seems like, part of it.
I don't like mushrooms, but the mushrooms are good too.